Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Webonsky. Today we will talk about how today we will see how to debug a nodejs program. Okay, so suppose you are writing a new feature or something in your nodejs project and you want to debug whether the expected whether the code is running expectedly or not, and how would you debug if there is any problem in the program or something. So will be a very quick and it is very easy. For example, let me show you an example, a very quick example where I will show you how you can debug it. Okay, so let's just restart without wasting time. Here we have a list of objects. Okay, now so here we have three objects in an array. Okay, and I'm writing a function and return. I'm taking the object as an argument, and now I am adding a new property in the object. Okay, so we have this function is ready. Let's console data and new array equals, let's call a map function and call the test function inside, and then we get console new array. All right, suppose this is a very small example where we have an array of objects and then calling a function for each object in that array, and then adding a new attribute or property in that object by concatenating id with name. Okay, so let's run it first how and see whether it's properly running or not. Okay, here we have a problem. All right, obviously we need to call it on that array. Okay, now as you see, this is the initial array with three objects, and when we call a function on each object of that array, we are getting a new additional property in each object by concatenating id with the name. Okay, now how would you debug this small program? What we can do here, we just need a command to execute, that is node inspect brk, then the file you are writing the program inside. Okay, now just hit enter. After hitting this command, you need to open the Chrome browser, and there you will see a node icon, and you just need to click on that icon. It will open a new window to with the program you have just written, and there you will be able to debug your program. So let me show you. As you see, here is a special icon. You just need to click on it. Now here you can see a new window has opened, and the program with this file. As you see, this is a test.js where you are writing the code with these tools to debug it. And now here you can do your debugging process. Suppose I want to see here and here, and now let's run it. So these are the debugging options that you can use to debug. So this option is to just start the flow one by one, I mean line by line or step by step, how exactly your control runs or moves ahead one by one. So if you click here, first this is the line where it will execute, and here we are getting the initial objects in that array. And if you click one more, it comes here, and once you click more, now this map function is calling another function where this current objects is getting passed, and we are right now in this current object, and in the current object we have these values, ID and name with Pedro. And now this line has executed. In the new property you will get 1-Pedro, so ID hyphen Pedro, and now it's calling second time. All right, third time, it's done. Now here we will have, if you see here, we have a new object, the final array with these three objects, and now in these objects we have this additional property where it contains ID with name concatenated together. And now in the console it will print the final array with those objects. So this is how you can test. Okay, as you see in the console, now it has printed the required, data as expected. So this is how you can test your program when writing in nodejs. And as you see, it is very simple, and it will be very helpful when you will be working on your project in nodejs. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.